Welcome to the Management Functions and Organizational Processes lesson on organization structure and design. By the end of the video, you will learn about organization structure and chart, factors influencing the choice of structure, span of control and levels of management, and differentiation of tasks and activities within an organization. You will also learn about matrix and network structure, integration of organizational tasks and activities, and designing structure for a service organization. Every organization, whether it's a thriving multinational corporation or a local non-profit, operates within a framework known as the organization structure. This structure isn't just a random arrangement, it's a meticulously planned and established pattern of relationships among the various components of an organization. Think of an organization as a complex ecosystem, much like a rainforest. Each species plays a specific role, contributing to the overall health and balance of the forest. Similarly, in an organization, various departments and roles, from marketing to finance, from human resources to production, work in unison. This complex interplay is orchestrated by the organization's structure, which defines roles, responsibilities, and the flow of information. In the world of business, clarity is king. Formal relationships within an organization establish clear lines of authority and accountability. This clarity is like the rulebook of a game, outlining who makes decisions, who executes them, and how team members collaborate. It's these formal relationships that ensure everyone is rowing in the same direction, propelling the organization forward. An organization chart is not just a diagram, it's a blueprint of the company's architecture. It shows the skeleton of the organization, outlining the structure of command and the intricate web of relationships. Each position, from the CEO to the frontline employee, is a node in this network, connected by lines that represent communication pathways and reporting relationships. This blueprint helps in navigating the organization's complex hierarchy, ensuring that efforts are aligned and goals are pursued efficiently. Imagine an orchestra where each section, from strings to percussion, focuses on its part while being led by a conductor to create a symphony. This is differentiation and integration at work. Organizations segment their operations into specialized units, allowing for focused expertise. However, like a conductor leading an orchestra, the organization needs mechanisms to ensure these specialized units work together harmoniously. Integration mechanisms, such as cross-functional teams and regular coordination meetings, ensure that the organization operates seamlessly as a whole. Beneath the surface of formal structures lie the informal networks, the heart and soul of the organization's culture. These networks, formed through daily interactions, coffee breaks, and impromptu meetings, carry the lifeblood of information and influence. They can accelerate decision-making, foster innovation through informal brainstorming, and build a sense of community. Recognizing and leveraging these informal networks can be a strategic advantage, enhancing communication and morale. An organization does not exist in a vacuum. It's influenced by an ever-changing external environment, from shifting market dynamics and technological breakthroughs to regulatory changes and cultural shifts. These factors act as external forces that shape the organization's structure, pushing it to evolve. Adapting to these changes by redesigning the organizational structure can be the key to sustaining growth and maintaining competitive edge. Decentralization is akin to empowering local leaders within a kingdom, allowing them to make decisions best suited to their territories, yet all serving the realm's overarching goals. In organizations, decentralizing decision-making empowers managers and teams closer to the action, enabling quicker responses and fostering a culture of accountability and empowerment. Finding the right balance between central guidance and local autonomy is crucial for agility and innovation. As markets evolve, so do organizations. some choose to structure themselves around the functions they perform, becoming bastions of expertise in areas like manufacturing, marketing, or R&D. Others pivot around the diverse products they offer or the distinct customers they serve, becoming agile in responding to specific market needs. This strategic choice in structuring around functions, products, or customers shapes the organization's identity and its approach to the market. In today's complex business environment, the matrix structure stands out for its flexibility, combining functional expertise with product or project focus. This dual command system, though challenging in terms of management, fosters a dynamic environment where innovation thrives. Meanwhile, the network structure extends the organization's boundaries, weaving a tapestry of partnerships and collaborations. This interconnected ecosystem enhances adaptability, allowing the organization to tap into external expertise and resources. Service organizations operate on the front lines of customer interaction. Here, the intangible nature of services magnifies the importance of every customer touchpoint, from initial inquiry to after-sales support. The organization's structure must be designed to deliver exceptional service experiences consistently. This means having flexible, customer-centric teams empowered to solve problems and delight customers at every turn. Mastering organization structure and design is like mastering the art of navigation in the vast seas of the business world. It empowers future leaders to chart a course through turbulent waters, leveraging the winds of change to sail towards success. Understanding and applying these principles enables managers to assemble teams that are cohesive, adaptive, and aligned with the organization's vision, ensuring a journey towards lasting achievement. And with those final words, we conclude this lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.